Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. Today I am back with the November Glossybox unboxing. Before we go ahead and open a box, I received this little note which says, wow, you're a lucky winner, and on the back of here it says, this month we've taken a look at our very special gift for chosen customers. Instead of our iconic Glossybox, some of our most loyal customers will get one of our all-time favourite special designs. And you're one of them. We hope you enjoyed this beauty special and it puts a smile on your face. So I don't have the pink glossy box, I have this beautiful zodiac theme boxed. I do love the design on this box. It is zodiac theme and it does match my top perfectly. However, I can't tell what the theme of the box is in this packaging, so let's open it up. These are all the products I have received this month. As usual, we have a digital copy of the magazine, and on here it says cheers to us, so I am assuming this is the theme of the month. Now let's open it up. So yes, the theme of the month is cheers to us, and this is the magazine here. We have the content, editor's note, story behind the box, and a full reveal of all the products we will receive, including any mystery products. Then it goes on for some articles regarding other products. The note from the editor states, "Hello Glossies, welcome to our 11th issue of the year. Brimming with a treasure trove of beauty secrets and inspiration, as November graces us with its presence, we're thrilled to present to you the essence of party season glamour and a remarkable collection of budget-friendly ideas to prepare you for the festive celebrations. Consider this issue your passport to beauty adventures and unforgettable nights out. November is a month that beckons you to explore new horizons and embrace extravagant looks, so get ready to unlock your full potential and delve into the world of fresh, exciting beauty experiences. Love, Team Glossy." Now the story behind the box goes on to state, as November approaches, it's time to embrace a season of opportunities and make the most of every moment. Our latest edition is all about recognising the potential that this month holds. We've curated the perfect product selection featuring renowned brands like Emma Hardy and Rituals to elevate your pre-festive beauty routine and inspire you to unlock your full potential. This month we invite you to experience an unboxing of a special kind, one that's bound to be memorable adventure. So gather your besties, chill the bubbly, and prepare to immerse yourselves in an exciting beauty journey filled with new, extravagant looks, fun conversations, and an unforgettable night out to top it all off. Life is like a game, and November is your chance to roll the dice and embrace the opportunities it brings. Don't hold back, take chances, live life to the fullest, and make this November a month to remember. The first product is a Rhodial Snake Bubble Mask, which is worth £11. This is a deep cleansing charcoal mask sheet. On the back of here it tells us that we leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes on clean cleansed skin and then remove after this time period. It also says it contains hyaluronic acid which plumps and moisturise, O2 bubbles, oxygenate and refresh, and it contains vitamin A and E and tripeptides which helps to freeze the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Next we have the Bubble Tea Black Cherry and Vanilla Body Scrub worth £7. This is like any other body wash or scrub. You massage it onto your skin and then rinse it off well with water. It is 100ml and it is vegan friendly. I have tried the products in the past, not this particular flavour, but it's a good product. Then we have the Basic Skin Lip Scrub, which is worth £16. This lip scrub is designed to buff away any dry flakes on your lips. It contains sugar and shea butter, which helps remove the dryness and keeps your lips moisturised. Just going to open it up. This smells divine. This is definitely strawberry flavoured. I'm just going to try and put some on my skin. I'm hoping you can see that texture, but you can see the sugar crystals, and it is really exfoliating on the skin. I know it's not used for the skin, it's for the lips, but I can just imagine this buffing away all those little dry flakes from wearing matte lipstick. I really do look forward to trying this one out. Then we have the Eyeko Pencil Sharpener, which is worth £7. So this is a pencil sharpener. I believe you can do both eye and lip products here. It contains all the rubbish in this clear plastic thing, so once you're done with it, you open it up and dispose it, and then you can kind of see the sharpener inside here. These are always handy to have because you never know when you need them, and I always find even if you have one, a spare is always good. The next is a mystic product between two hair products. One is a Star Dry Coconut and Fig Hair Mask, and the other one is Living Proof Advanced Dry Shampoo. and I have received the Living Proof Advanced Dry Shampoo worth £5. It's a cute travel size dry shampoo. I've never actually tried the Living Proof product, so I'm actually quite excited to try this to see if it actually works. On here it even says it actually cleans hair, softens and shines, so this will be quite interesting. Going to see if I can like smell it. It smells really familiar, but I don't know what it smells like, but hopefully it leaves my hair clean. Finally, we have the eyeliner Lucky Dip. There is an option between 3 products, and I have received the Steve Laurent brown eyeliner, which is worth £11. This eyeliner is in the shade Dark Chocolate, and it's just a pencil eyeliner which you will need to sharpen. You can apply it as like a base for your eyeshadows, or just apply it as like an eyeliner in your waterline or outside your waterline. These are all the products I have received this month. I've calculated my box and I come to a sum of £57 exactly. Now, I've been looking on the website to see how much the beauty box is worth, but I couldn't find anything, so I'm going to assume the box minimum is worth £55, which it is because I come to a sum of £57. Now, these were all the products I have received this month. If you guys want a review on any of the products, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing from you all, and if you haven't already done so, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!